Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. My son loves to be outside and I of course am always worried he's going to get sunburnt or overheated. I have found the perfect hat for him where I don't have to worry about either thing. This is the HSYZZY hat and it's a toddler bucket hat and it is perfect. I got the size 2 to 4, even though my son is only 1.5 years because he's got a pretty big head. But my favorite part is that it has an adjustable toggle. Not one spot, but two. There's one around the head, so if it's a little bit big, you can adjust it. And there's also one for under the chin to make sure it stays on. I really like that it is mesh underneath, so he's not going to get overheated wearing a hat. And there's also this super nice wide brim, so the sun never gets in his face. I love the breathable fabric of this hat, but also that it has 2 adjustments to make sure that it fits properly. It is the perfect hat for any toddler. I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.